guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time being here, make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social media so you see when I post my videos. Today I'm going to be doing another Birchbox unboxing. I'm really excited because this is for the month of February. February's not over yet, so technically I can still do it. So sorry if the lighting changes a little bit. It's because I'm using natural lighting and the natural lighting kind of changes throughout like minutes I'm filming this. So yeah, this is the box for this month. I really like it because it's like Valentine's Day, everything's pink, everything's red, and I'm so glad that they did like a Valentine's Day inspired box design. I've decided that for my Birchboxes, I'm gonna do like a few ones where I'm testing the products and a few where I'm not testing the products. I talked more about Birchbox in my first video, so if you didn't see my January Birchbox, I'd go there and take a look at that. I'm really excited for this box. This is probably my favorite month, and yeah, I'm excited. So let's just get started. By the way, if you've noticed, my hair's longer. I just got new extensions. So I got the ZALA extensions. If you guys want a video about my extensions and how I put them on, any type of hair video, let me know and I can do that for you. So this is what comes in the box. The piece of paper, like always, kind of just introduces all the stuff that's in the box. I hope you can see that. Just the lighting's weird today. I'm sorry. Okay, so honestly, it seems like there's so much in here. Like, I'm just like so excited about all this. Okay, so the first thing is Daily Concepts Your Facial Micro Scrubber. So I assume that's this. It says, use this dual texture facial scrubbing tool to gently yet effectively rid pores of dirt, oil, and grime. Wow. I really have been wanting something like this just like for my face, and the full size. Is this not the full size? I guess this is not the full size. I'm not really sure, but the full size is $8. So yeah, I'm really excited for that. It says it's like for gentle skin. I wonder if like it's like actually gonna be gentle because I know these type of scrubs can be kind of harsh. So yeah, we'll see about this. The next thing is the Divine's all-in-one milk. It says, this nourishing leave-in treatment detangles while adding volume, shine, and heat protection. Oh wow. Because the last one I had from my last Birchbox, I literally used all of it. Especially because I have swim at school. I would like literally put it in my hair before and after just for the extra protection from the chlorine. And I'm really excited for this because since I ran out of my other one, I really want a new one. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. The full size is $32, which is okay. And this seems like a really good like sample size. I feel like this is gonna last me a long time. Let me smell it. Yeah, it smells really good. It smells like vanilla. Like, that's the first thing I can think of, just vanilla. That's the first scent that comes to my mind. Yeah, so there's that. I feel like I should do a video like reviews on this stuff because, or something like a series, because I obviously like feel like I need to talk about it after. Like, I feel like I want to mention how it works and how I feel about it, just so I can recommend good products to you guys. Because I don't know about you guys, I've never heard about this brand, and yeah, I like learning about new stuff. The next is the MAC Cosmetics Strobe Cream. I've heard about this and I'm really excited about this. It says it's in pink light. This skincare meets makeup moisturizer, perks up tired, dull skin with a luminous sheen. It's a vitamin and green tea enriched formula. Easily blends both under and over makeup. Oh, that's interesting. I didn't know it would like go over makeup. Maybe it has a highlighter. I'm not really sure. Oh my god, that's a lot. Oops. It doesn't really have a scent to it. It's more of like, I'm not really noticing a big glow. It's kind of just like, I don't know, like, it's really just like glow. It's glowy, but not like highlighter glowy, you know what I mean? Actually, it does have a scent to it. It smells good. I was expecting it to be more like highlighter type of cream, but I think like after I do my skincare routine, I think this will be a good moisturizer, which I'm really excited because I really like when like I put on a moisturizer after and it just like my face is glowing, and I hope this works because I want this to like do that for me. Okay, the next thing I have is the Marcel Ultimate Volume Nano Mascara. Okay, so it comes, this is a good size. I like these sizes. It says, don't let its size fool you. This mascara's mini brush is designed to reach even the stubbiest bottom lashes and inner corners for a full feathered look. And the full size is $15. Yeah, let me open it because I want to see like what the wand looks like, you know what I mean? Let me see. I can't open it. This is ridiculous. Oh my god. Guys, I'm going to Starbucks today and I'm going to do my homework and I'm really excited about it. Let's open this up finally. Okay, so it's a pretty like small brush, which I like only because I know it's going to get every single like hair on my lash. I'm going to use this today actually. It doesn't have like that paint smell to it, which I like. Sorry, I'm just like a big scent person. I don't know why I am like that. I just am. So we'll see. The next thing is the Super Goop Daily Correct CC Cream with an SPF 35. Perfect. Oh, you know how I love my SPF. Now this is like the smallest sample I've ever gotten. Okay, so yeah, it's just a CC cream. I just got a new CC cream from It Cosmetics, so I wonder how they would compare. Or if maybe they're similar, we'll see. It seems a little dark for my skin. Yeah, just a little bit dark, but I think it just like, I like that it kind of blends to my skin tone. I don't know, maybe it doesn't. Maybe like in the camera it looks just like so orange. Alright, so I'm gonna combine the next two. There's the Divine's shampoo and conditioner. The shampoo is, you'll love this hydrating, ultra hydrating paraben and sulfate-free shampoo for all hair types. It boosts volume and shine, improves texture, and protects hair from UV rays. And then the conditioner, it says, the conditioner is packed with natural active ingredients like raku oil, which protects hair from UV rays and heat damage, plus apricot butter, which adds softness to strands. Okay, cool. So let me show you. This is the same brand as the milk, the hair milk that we just looked at. Yeah, there's these little samples. I haven't heard of this brand, so I'm like really excited. And my hair gets bleached, so anything that gives me moisture and will help my hair is a plus. For the full sizes are like 30 to 40 bucks. So the shampoo is 29 and the conditioner is 36. That's it for my Birchbox. If you like this video, make sure to click the like button. If you have any video requests, make sure to let me know and I can do that for you. Make sure to use the referral code if you're interested in getting a Birchbox. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!